In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Explore button on Google Slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reach the built-in panel that lets you search the web and stock images right from your slides, much like the classic Explore experience. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google's homepage. This is the quickest way to access all of Google's tools from one place. If you aren't already signed in, make sure you're logged into your Google account so you can see your presentations. Next, look for the Google Apps icon, the small grid of dots usually near the top right. Click it to open the app launcher. From here, select Slides. This takes you straight to Google Slides, where you can view your recent presentations and templates. On the Slides home screen, choose the presentation you want to work on. Opening the file first ensures that any images you add land exactly where you want them in your current slide deck. Inside your presentation, go to the top menu bar and click Insert. This is where Google puts most of the tools you'll use to add content. Hover over images, then choose Stock and Web. This option opens a panel on the right side of your screen. Think of this as the modern Explore-style hub for finding visuals without leaving slides. In that right-hand panel, you can search the web for images or browse curated stock options. Type a clear keyword or phrase. Specific terms usually yield better results than a single broad word. If you're working on a professional or academic deck, try combining your topic with a style word, like minimalist chart or abstract background, to narrow the results. As with any web-sourced content, be mindful of usage rights and choose images you're allowed to use. When you find an image you like, simply click it. Slides will place it directly on your current slide, saving you the hassle of downloading and re-uploading. The image appears instantly, ready to fit into your layout. That's the whole flow. Open Google, launch Google Slides from the app grid, select your presentation, and use Insert, then Images, then Stock and Web to bring up the right side panel. This panel is the fastest way to get that Explore-like searching and inspiration built into your workflow. It keeps you focused in one window, speeds up your design process, and helps you find visuals that support your message without interrupting your momentum. Thanks for watching, and enjoy enhancing your slides with the